Time to load the cart! Here we go! Whee! All done!
Whoa, what's this? An adventure awaits. Let's go explore. This is so much fun.
These look wonderful.
Picked fresh this morning.
I'll take a few, thanks.
The teal panchias? Yippee! Got it! Whee! Adventure time! Vroom vroom! Let's go!
The Tuca Panchias?
Yip-yip-day! Got it!
Whee! Adventure time! Vroom vroom! Let's go!
A fine evening, isn't it? This vintage is exceptional. It's all about balance, really. Care to join me?
Whoa! What's that big red thing? Hey, wait for me! This is so much fun! Let's go explore!
These look perfect. Picked fresh this morning.
I can't believe this is happening again! This is absolutely ridiculous! I'm so done! We need to fix this right now! I'm not putting up with this anymore! Enough's enough!
Yay! More fun! Whoa, Professor! And it's so much fun! Bye-bye, Tractor! Whee! This is so much fun! Vroom vroom, go Tractor, go! Whoa, big splash! Yay, more mud!
Mudfly! Keep splashing, Tractor! Yay! What a fun mess! Let's load up the tomatoes! Up it goes! Now into the cart! Yay! All done! Time to load these tomatoes! Let's use the big loader! Vroom vroom! Let's go! This is so much fun!
No! Stay back! It's coming! We have to get the door! Run! No, so...
Whoa! A big red tractor and a whole crate of tomatoes! I want to climb up! This is fun. Yummy tomato.
Ah, damn it! Come on.
Hello, fresh tomatoes today?
They look great. A kilo, please.
Of course, here you go.
And a few more, please.
Certainly, that'll be $5.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Time for an adventure! Let's go!
Woohoo! Whoa, a tractor! How would I drive it? Whee! This is fun! Woohoo! Wow, this mud is fun! Can you help me, big truck? Yay! Let's go! Whee! This is the best!